Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Trish, and today is going to be another eyeshadow palette roulette declutter video. Now what this is, if you're new here, is where I randomize a palette, use that palette on my eyes, and then decide whether or not I'm going to keep or declutter the palette. Now there are some exceptions to this, but none of those apply in today's video, but they will be listed in the description box below if you are interested. But without further ado, let's go ahead and randomize today's palette. Okay, so today's palette is going to be the J-Cat Dia Noche palette. Let me go ahead and find that palette. Okay, so this is the J-Cat Dia Noche palette, and this is what that one looks like, and I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get this on my eyes.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty.
So this is the look that I created with the J-Cat Dia Noche palette, and I did check, and it's actually called the Around the Clock palette. And you guys, I'm in love with the look that I created today. This shade right here, this shimmer, is just gorgeous, and I'm kind of a little upset at myself that I have not been using this more often. I did have brush strokes in these two shades previously, so I do know I've used this palette before, but the mattes performed beautifully. The shimmers, I did use these two shimmers here as I would a matte, just because they don't have a deeper matte shade in the palette, and I gotta say they performed just like a matte would. These shimmers blended out beautifully on the eyes, and I guess my one critique of the palette would be that it doesn't have a deeper matte shade to deepen out the outer corner, but you know, this one worked just as well, and it worked just like a matte, so I'm very pleased with the way this palette performed, and this is most definitely going to be a keep. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you would like, comment, and subscribe, it really does help me out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!